Welcome again to our video today. I boiled a bamboo shoot, guys, and then we will move over here on the other pot. So it's done already, boiling 5 minutes now. Ayan, so we're going to move now, guys, here in the another pot. Oh yeah. I like a move it. I like a move it. Ayan, I boiled first because it is stuck from the plastic. Para matanggal yung germs niya. Also, to remove some germs. Kill the germs. Ayan, kung may germs na. Pero wala naman tong germs, guys. There's no germs. I'm just saying. Kidding. Gusto ko lang tanggalin yung, sometimes there is a sour or mapait. You know. Kaya binu-boil first. I just boil first, guys. So, I like a move it. Just wait. Some bamboo shoot is bitter. Mapait siya. So they need to boil first, guys. So that is our lunch today, guys. This is it, the bamboo shoot, and I put it already the tilapia here. Ayan, 1 tilapia. Ayan, prito, guys. Para maglasa siya. Isang piraso lang. Magpiprito ako. I'm going to fry again this milk fish. Ayan, I have a 1 piece also again, or like. That is our prito or our lunch. On this moment, at the same time, we will put now our bagoong. Ayan, anchovy in English is bagoong, guys. Boneless. Ayan. Fish sauce. Okay, so we're going to put now our boneless fish sauce. Ayan. That's it. It's easy. Easy. Filipino foods. I'm going to mix a little bit. And we will cover for 2 minutes. And now we are going to put a magic syrup or Guinness mix. Ayan. Guinness mix, guys. And later on, we are going to put our saluyot. I'm gonna fry later this milk fish, guys, before we're going to eat. Ayan. Pero hindi pa kami kakain. But I just only preparing my lunch. Just eat. Just eat. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone. Thank you for loving me. Paraiso. Ayan. So, we're going to put now our saluyot. I think it's done already. Cooking. we're going to put now our saluyot. It's cooked already, our bamboo shoot. So this is our saluyot, guys. And it's a grass again. grass. Yahoo! Oh my goodness. I love it. Now I take again, I eat my favorite. I can wait forever. And so we're going to mix a little bit. It's easy to cook, guys, because I bought already the bamboo shoot. So this is it, our video today. It's a Thursday, our lunch. Let me taste it. Yum. That's nice. So again, thank you so much, brothers and sisters, for watching. We are done our cooking in our kitchen. So again, thank you so much, all of you guys, for watching my video today. Babush everyone, again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channels and click the bell buttons to get notifications, guys. Okay? Babush, bye!